Hi, I'm Rachel for ExpertVillage. And now we're going to go back to the newspaper. I'm going to take the pieces. You can either do it this way, putting straight on the newspaper, or you can, as I did before, put it on the tin right away. It doesn't matter if pieces are coming out, you can always later on cut them. Okay, finished 1/3. It's all covered here. I'm going to go to the second one. It doesn't matter if you have newspaper a little bit on each other, on every layer. Since it's so thin, it doesn't matter if you really put a newspaper on a newspaper on a layer. It's not going to make a big difference at the end. It's not going to be thicker or anything. You're not going to feel the difference later on. Okay, the third one. God, it's too long. And I'm going to finish now. Okay. Just going to cut it on top a little bit.